finished doing the braiding process. I did allow myself a few small braids here so I can just like flip it over when I'm trying to, you know, switch it up a little bit. I like to have my crochet braids pretty versatile, so I'll go for a middle part, I'll go for a side part. But today we are doing spiral curls. So this is the GoGo curl in the 14-inch, and I am doing 4. I'm doing the color 4. 4 is what I've always been doing, like in the past. If you guys check out my old videos, it's always been in the color 4. We're going back to 4 just this time because it is spring and I want to go for like a lighter color, and I always felt like 4 complemented my skin complexion. I purchased this at the beauty supply. I'm going to try to find it on Amazon so I can link it, and it was $8.99. It's not too long, it's not too short, perfect length. So I went with just 3 packs of hair. I didn't do 4 because this is spiral curls and I feel like they will fill out, and it's really soft, feather light and very soft. So I'm really excited to put it in, so let's get to it. Just to like cut off any frizzy ends. I feel like this hair is going to get frizzy very quickly. It's already frizzing up now, and so this is a style that I'm going to keep in for just a week, maybe just a week and a half, because I don't feel like it's going to look good after several weeks. And I did use a full 3 packs of hair, and I do have a few pieces left, and I'll use that for like, you know, like filling in throughout the week, spots that I feel like need to be refreshed. And I always tend to do that, keep extra hair just for another time, so when I need to like fill in the top part, you know, because typically this hair, the hair in the front grows out fast, so that's why I keep extra pieces just to fill in those spots. But this hair is really soft, almost on the silky side, so I had to make sure I tied it at the roots very good, because honestly I feel like some pieces could potentially come out if you don't, you know, tie it tight and tie it multiple times. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. If you love the way my hair turned out, give me a thumbs up down below. And I will leave a link of the hair if I can find it on Amazon or anywhere else. I'll be sure to leave the link. Anyway, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.